Let's start the numerical problem of gas law. આપણે આના પહેલાના લેક્ચરમાં જોયું હતું Boyle's law. What is Boyle's law? Boyle's law is an interrelationship between pressure and volume, right? So if a closed container છે, a container and this is piston, આ piston છે, right? And gas is filled inside the container. But when you increase pressure, यानी when you give pressure to the piston, तो piston नीचे जाए, okay? air tight છે, means આ gas છે यानी બહાર ના નીકળે. When you increase pressure, then its volume decreases. When the temperature kept constant. So as per the Boyle's law, when the temperature of the whole system kept constant at the time, pressure increase side decrease side, that the inverse proportion. So pressure is inversely proportion to volume થાય. So ઉપર V જાય તો P into V equal to અને remove કરીએ તો is a constant proportionality. So P into V equal to K, यानी always pressure and volume multiplication is constant. It is known as Boyle's law. હવે આપણે બે સિસ્ટમ કહીએ. ચલો સ્ટાર્ટિંગ માં પ્રેશર P1 છે, વોલ્યુમ V1 છે. And after pressure P2, volume V2. So as per the Boyle's law, P1 V1 equal to P2 V2 થાય. P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. It's a Boyle's law. So let's start the numerical problem related to Boyle's law. चलो यहाँ है practice problem number 1. A gas occupies practice problem number 1. Gas occupies volume. यहाँ जो piston है तो अनु volume V1 equal to 1500 centimeter cube at the pressure of 720 mm of Hg 720. At what pressure? હવે પહેલા વોલ્યુમ 1500 હતું, હવે now at what pressure? Its volume become 1000 centimeter cube. Assume that the temperature is kept constant as per the Boyle's law. When you kept the temperature constant at that time, pressure and volume, they are inversely proportion. So as per the Boyle's law, and P1 kaya initial P1 V1 P2 V2. So P1 equal to 720 mm of Hg, V1 equal to 1500 centimeter cube, P2. Now what will be the pressure where the volume become 1000 centimeter cube. As per Boyle's law, P1 V1 equal to P2 V2 થાય, right? So P1 equal to 720, V1 equal to 1500, P2. Now what pressure? Its volume become 1000 centimeter cube. Then subject pressure P2 720 into 1500 upon 1000. 0 0 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. 15 into 72. 15 into 72 is the 1080 mm of Hg. Yani more is the pressure, less is the volume. So pressure must be more than 720 because its volume decreases as compared to initial situation. So pressure equal to 1080, and actually pressure na different units hoy, pascals hoy, pressure unit pascal hoy, પણ અહીંયા pressure unit 720 mm of Hg, mm yani millimeter of mercury height. So 720 mm of Hg, the same unit you have to write. 1080 mm of Hg is your answer. Okay. પ્રોબ્લેમ નંબર 2 બહુ ઈઝી છે, તમે જાતે કરજો એમના એક્સરસાઇઝ. પ્રેક્ટિસ પ્રોબ્લેમ નંબર 2. A gas occupies a volume. જો અહીંયા gas occupies the volume, pressure, volume V1 equal to 800 centimeter cube. Practice problem number 2. You can read the question in your book. 800 centimeter cube at a pressure of x, yani P1 equal to x. If the pressure is altered to 2.5 atmospheric pressure, now pressure altered, yani P2 equal to 2.5 atmospheric pressure, 2.5 atmospheric pressure, then the volume become V2 become 900 centimeter cube. હવે અહીંયા એટમોસ્ફેરિક પ્રેશર છે તો અહીંયા બી એટમોસ્ફેરિક પ્રેશર કરવાનું, અહીંયા mm of hg હોય તો અહીંયા બી mm of hg લખવાનું. સેમ. So as per Boyle's law, P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. P1 I don't know, V1 is equal to 800, P2 equal to 2.5 atmospheric pressure and into 900. So x is 2.5 into 900 upon 800. 0 0 0 0 cancel. 25 into 9 by 8 into 10. And point नीचे लेगा. 25 9s are 225 by 80 and multiply करो तो 2.81 atmospheric, because here the pressure is given in atmospheric pressure. So atmosphere, अवलोकन 80 ms atmospheric pressure, right? Now practice problem number 3. Practice problem number 3. At constant temperature से हम in Boyle's law, temperature is constant. The first constant temperature, and the Boyle's law is a relation between pressure and volume at a constant temperature. At a constant temperature, a gas at a pressure of, चलो यहाँ जो होगा gas at a pressure of 10, and the pressure P1 equal to 1080 mm of Hg છે. At what pressure? Its volume decreased by 40%. Volume decreased by 40%. Volume decreased by 40%. Right? तो यहाँ V1 equal to x centimeter cube लइए volume initially, and finally let initially volume V1 is equal to x centimeter cube છે. Now V2, what will be the V2? જે હતું ને એમાંથી 40% of x decreased થાય, volume 40% જેટલું decrease થાય. જે પણ હતું એમાંથી 40% of x decrease. So x minus 40 upon 100 into x. 100x minus 40x, that is the 60x upon 100. 0 0 cancel. 6x by 10 centimeter cube. Now the second volume equal to 6x by 10 centimeter cube. Now as per the Boyle's law, P1 V1 equal to लखन as per the Boyle's law at a constant temperature, P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. What is P1? 1080. V1 x centimeter cube equal to P2 at what pressure? It's my question. And V2 equal to 6x by 10. Now subject P2 ने subject बनाइए 1080 into x into 10. 1080 into x into 10 upon 6x. x cancel. 3 की कट है. 3 2s are 3 3s are 9. 3 6s are 18. So P2 equal to 1800 mm of Hg. Mm of Hg is your answer. 1800 mm of Hg, right? चलो आनी अंदर भी प्रैक्टिस प्रॉब्लम माथे भी कराओ एक सम. प्रैक्टिस प्रॉब्लम नंबर 3 માં સેકન્ડ કરીએ. practice problem number 3. Second, a dry gas occupies volume of એટલે V1 equal to 224 centimeter cube as normal pressure. Normal pressure ખબર નહીં કેટલું pressure. So normal pressure, so P1 equal to, I don't know what is the normal pressure, X. If its volume increased, volume increased થઈ જાય છે, તો pressure volume increased 25% volume increase, its volume increased 25%. Find the new pressure assuming the temperature remain constant. You have to find new pressure. Let the initial pressure be X, normal pressure mm of Hg, but its volume increased, पहला होता है increased by 25%. V2 is increased by 25%. 25 છે ને? હા, it's a 25%. So what is V2? કેટલું વધે જે હતું એ તો હોય જ. ઇનિશિયલ વેલ્યુ 224 હોય અને 25% ઓફ 224 ઇન્ક્રીઝ જે હતા એના 20 એમાંથી 25% ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય. ઇન્ક્રીઝ મીન્સ પ્લસ. સો 224 પ્લસ 25 upon 100 into 224. 224 ને કોમન કરી લઈએ. 1 plus 25 upon 100. So 224 100 plus 25 is 125 upon 100. So the answer is 25 5s are 25 4s are 4 5s are 20 6 are 5 6 are 30 280 centimeter cube. હવે આનું વોલ્યુમ થઈ ગયું 280 centimeter cube. Now initial volume 224, its volume increased by 40% by changing pressure, but the initial volume as at a pressure of X mm of Hg. Now you have to find the decreased pressure. So as per the Boyle's law, P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. P1 is X, I don't know. V1 is 224. P2 find કરવાનું છે. Normal pressure. And V2, एक मिनट, नॉर्मल प्रेशर यानी mm of Hg માં આપ્યું છે. Look, normal pressure નો મતલબ થશે, મને ખબર નથી, normal pressure નો મતલબ થશે 720 mm of Hg થાય. Normal pressure 720 mm of Hg equal to 1 atmospheric pressure થાય. समझ में? This is 1 atmospheric pressure. You have to remember normal pressure means 1 atmospheric pressure જે તમારી ને મારી વચ્ચે અત્યારે છે પર જે છે 1 atmospheric pressure and 1 atmospheric pressure equal to 720 mm of Hg હોય. તો અહીંયા આગળ x is equal to 720 mm of Hg લઈ લઈએ because normal pressure is given. What is normal pressure? Normal pressure is 720 mm of Hg. Normal pressure is 720 mm of Hg, right? So P2 and V2 is 280. So P2 equal to 720 into 224 upon 280. 720 into 224 divided by 280. equal to 576 mm of Hg. हुआ दो मन आगे क्या होगा 5 576. A gas occupies 2 to 4 centimeter cube at a normal pressure. If the volume increased by 25%, find the new pressure of gas assuming the temperature remain constant. 608 આવે છે ભૈયા આનો આન્સર 25% 2 to 4 ને 25% of 2 to 4 2 to 4 1 plus 25 upon 100 100 plus 25 125 upon 100 2 to 4 into 125 divided by 100 is 280. Yes, it's 280. 720 mm of Hg. 2 to 4 720 into 2 to 4 divided by 280 576. भाई क्या ना क्या आंसर ना आएगा Dry gas occupies 2 to 4 centimeter cube at a normal pressure. Its volume increased by 25%. Find the new pressure of gas. तो decrease तो થાય છે 608 આવે છે આન્સર આનો આવતો નથી 2 to 4 एक मिनट જે નોર્મલ એટમોસ્ફેરિક પ્રેશર છે 720 આપણે લીધું હતું 720 નથી નોર્મલ એટમોસ્ફેરિક પ્રેશર આઈ એમ સોરી ફોર ધેટ નોર્મલ એટમોસ્ફેરિક પ્રેશર ઇઝ 760 mm of Hg અહીંયા લખી કાઢો તમારી ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં નોર્મલ પ્રેશર equal to 760 mm of Hg equal to 1 atmospheric प्रेशर થાય સમજ માં આવ્યું અહીં આપણે 720 લેતા હતા एक्चुअली 720 નથી 760 is a normal pressure તો અહીંયા 720 ની જગ્યાએ 760 લઈએ તો આન્સર આવે છે આનો આન્સર આવે છે 760 લઈએ તો આનો આન્સર આવે છે 608 is 608 mm of Hg is very important. Note down in your book 760 mm of Hg. Okay. A volume of a certain gas was found. Practice problem number 4. Volume of a certain gas is found to be 800 centimeter cube when the pressure is 760 mm of Hg. This is question number practice problem number 4. Sorry, problem number 4. Problem number 4. You just read the question. Volume is 800 centimeter cube when the pressure is 760 mm of Hg. If the pressure increased by 25%, pressure increased by 25%, we have to find new volume, right? So let the initial pressure is 760 and volume is 800. Now what is P2? The new pressure is 760 plus 25% of 760 I increase. So 760 plus 25 upon 100 into 760 760 common. So અહીંયા આ બંનેમાંથી 760 common. તો અહીંયા 1 બચે અને 760 common 25/100. 760 100 plus 125 LCM લઈએ upon 100. 25 5 125 5 are 125 4s are. આના half 2 2 3s are 6 2 8s are 16 અને 2 થી કટ કરીએ 2 1s are 9s are 19 5s are 95 950. What is pressure is mm of Hg, right? Mm of Hg, right? Now by Boyle's law ये लखनऊ by Boyle's law T1 V1 equal to P2 V2. What is T1? 760. What is V1? 800. T2 P2 is 950. So you have to find decreased volume. So V2 equal to 760 into 800 upon 950. So V2 equal to 640 centimeter cube is your answer, right? Now problem number 5. Vessel occupies, problem number 5. Vessel occupy एक vessel છે, occupy करे मतलब volume. Its initial volume is 12 decimeter cube, dm cube. Containing nitrogen gas at a pressure of, the pressure of nitrogen gas is a pressure of 152 centimeter of mercury, right? If this vessel is connected to another evacuated vessel, out है, sorry मारा वो नहीं कर रहा हूँ, एक vessel है, जो question read करो अंदर question, एक vessel है, right? Vessel contain nitrogen gas, the volume equal to 12 decimeter cube at a pressure P1 equal to 152 centimeter of Hg. But if it connect with another vessel which is evacuated any vacuum, no gas at all inside the container. The vessel is connected with, if the vessel is connected with another evacuated vessel of a capacity, any capacity V2 equal to 6 centimeter cube. Now what will be the pressure? Volume increases. Now what happened initially? Volume equal to 12 decimeter cube and pressure equal to 152 centimeter of Hg, right? And after connecting, volume equal to, look, initially the all amount of the gas is accommodated in the first vessel and the second vessel is evacuated, not even a gas or air is present in the second vessel. But when you connect both the container, so gas, nitrogen present in the first container spread evenly in both the container, because we know that the gas can expand in the vessel in which it is filled. જે પણ વેસલમાં ભરેલું હોય પૂરા વેસલમાં એ ફેલાઈ જાય. તો પહેલા આ વેસલમાં ભરેલું હતું, હવે આ વેસલને ઓપન કરી નાખ્યું, આ વેસલ પહેલા ખાલી હતું એટલે આ ગેસ છે બંને વેસલમાં ભરાઈ જાય, થોડો આમાં અને થોડો આમાં, right? The volume, now the volume V2 become what? 12 plus 6 is 18 centimeter cube. Now you have to find pressure. સમજમાં આવે છે? બંનેને આ ઇવેક્યુએટેડ હતું અને સાથે કનેક્ટ કરીએ તો ગેસ આમાં બી છે અને આમાં બી છે એટલે ગેસ આ બંનેનું વોલ્યુમ ઇઝ फाइनल वॉल्यूम है, राइट. सो एज पर द बॉयल्स लॉ P1 इक्वल टू P2 V2. Initial pressure is 152. Now the pressure decrease because volume increase, pressure will decrease 152 થી ઓછો આન્સર આવે. Initial volume is 12. P2 I want to find and V2 is equal to 18. So P2 equal to 152 into 12 by 18. 3s are cut na થાય point માં આન્સર આવશે. And the answer is 101 point. P2 equal to 101.33 centimeter of Hg because in the first case pressure is given in a centimeter. જ્યારે પણ centimeter of Hg લખેલું હોય તો final answer is also in a centimeter of Hg. mm of Hg to mm of Hg. Pascal to pascal. Atmosphere to atmosphere. Right? Now same practice problem number 5. Practice problem number 5. 10 decimeter cube of oxygen. चलो आनी अंदर कितलो छे 10 decimeter cube यानी initial volume equal to 10 decimeter cube. Contained atmosphere 20 atmospheric pressure. P1. So initially when the second vessel is not connected with the first vessel, initially V1 equal to 10 centimeter cube and P1 equal to 10 atmospheric pressure. If another evacuated यानी बिल्कुल खाली, not even an air is present, another evacuated vessel is connected with the first vessel, similar capacity, any भी capacity कितनी है, any भी capacity 10 centimeter cube है. Now the oxygen gas spread in the first vessel as well as in the second vessel. So now after connecting, volume become 10 plus 10 यानी 20 centimeter cube, double थी दो. Now you have to find pressure P2. तो लगभग as per the Boyle's law V1 equal to P2 20. P1 equal to 20, V1 equal to 10, P2 equal to 20, V2 equal to 20, sorry, P2 and V2 equal to 20. P2 मैंने find करवाना है now pressure, so V2 is equal to 20, so P2 equal to 20 into 10 upon 20, so P2 equal to 10 atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. Okay. હવે બહુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ વસ્તુ કરાવું છું, જોજો હવે ધ્યાન રાખજો. હવે આ કન્સેપ્ટ ખતમ થઈ ગયો. બોયલ્સ લો. નાઉ ચાર્લ્સ લો. ચાર્લ્સ લો શું કહે છે? ચાર્લ્સ લો in 1787 Jack Charles experimentally studied the relationship between volume of a fixed mass of an enclosed dry gas and temperature. શું છે? Volume, relation between volume and temperature. ચલો બોયલ્સ લો માં તો હવે ચાર્લ્સ લો છે. Charles law is a volume and temperature relation. And Boyle's law relation between pressure and volume વચ્ચેનો relation. Charles law volume and temperature વચ્ચેનો relation at that time so fixed રાખ્યું છે, fixed mass mass of an enclosed dry gas and at the temperature when the pressure of the gas kept constant, यानी fixed mass and pressure is constant. यहाँ pressure constant રાખેલું છે, અહીંયા temperature constant રાખેલું છે. In the Boyle's law, temperature is constant. In Charles' law, pressure is constant. Pressure is constant. Okay. Now, what is the relation between volume and temperature? The volume of a fixed mass of an enclosed dry gas increased by 1/237th part of the initial volume at 0 degree Celsius for every 1 degree rise in the temperature and vice versa. So, what is it? Closed છે, closed volume, તાનો વોલ્યુમ V1 છે. સમજમાં આવ્યું? Volume of a fixed mass, એનો mass fixed છે. Volume of a fixed mass as a fixed pressure. Pressure भी એનું સેમ છે, यानी કોઈને દબાવતા નથી. Of an enclosed dry gas increase. કેટલું increase થાય? 1/237th part જેટલું increase થાય. આના છે ને 237 પાર્ટ કરી દેવાના, એમાંથી એક પાર્ટ જેટલો થાય એટલું એનું વોલ્યુમ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય when we rise 1 degree Celsius. સમજમાં? In short, temperature increases, volume increases. Temperature increases, volume increases. They are in a direct proportion. And કેટલું increase થાય? For a 1 degree rise, the volume of an enclosed dry gas of a fixed mass at a fixed pressure increased as compared to initial volume करता 1/237 part જેટલું વધી જાય. For example, આપણે સમજીએ કે example. For example, if the initial volume કેટલું છે? Initial volume, suppose initial volume છે 273 centimeter cube છે અને temperature equal to 0 degree Celsius, right? But when I give heat to the container and its temperature now is 1 degree Celsius, 1 degree rise. So at 1 degree Celsius કેટલું થાય? 1 degree Celsius તો 0 degree Celsius જે હતું એના કરતા increase થાય 273 0 degree Celsius volume, 0 degree Celsius no volume plus 1/273 part of volume at 0 degree Celsius. नहीं समझ में आया? जे वॉल्यूम હતું ને એ તો રેજ એટલે 1 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ માં શું હોય તમને એ પણ સમજાવું. ચલો 1 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ માં શું થાય? કેટલા ડિગ્રી રેઝ થયું? જે 0 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ હતું એ તો હોય જ, પણ રેઝ કેટલું થયું? 1/273 ઓફ ઇનિશિયલ. આ જે હતું એના 1/273 જેટલું રેઝ થાય, એટલે કે 273 અને કટ यानी 1 यानी 274 સેન્ટીમીટર ક્યુબ થઈ જાય. 274 સેન્ટીમીટર ક્યુબ. હવે આપણે એમ કે 5 ડિગ્રીમાં કેટલું થાય? ચલો 5 ડિગ્રીમાં કેટલું થાય? 1 ડિગ્રીમાં 1 જેટલું ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય, તો 5 ડિગ્રી આની ઇન્ક્રીઝ કરીએ તો અહીંયા +5 આવે. In short, તમને સમમાં આવું બધું નહીં પૂછાય. સમમાં ખાલી એટલું છે, temperature increases, volume increases. They are in a direct proportion, right? According to Lord Kelvin, if the temperature of an enclosed gas at 0 degree Celsius is lowered to -273 degree Celsius, આપણે એમ કે મતલબ temperature increases, remain. Temperature increases, volume increases. Chalo, temperature increases 0 degree Celsius, 0 degree Celsius. Temperature increases, volume increases. Temperature 1 degree Celsius, volume increases. Temperature 2 degree Celsius, volume increases. Temperature increases, volume increases. But temperature decreases, volume decreases. Minus 1 degree Celsius, its volume decreases. Then again, temperature decreases, minus 5 degrees Celsius. Then up to which point? Decrease, 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 decrease. And what? Finally what? So 0 degrees Celsius is lowered to minus 273 degrees Celsius is lowered to minus 273 degrees Celsius. If we lower, actually this temperature is impossible to attain. It's a very less, very much less, and it is impossible to attain. But if human try, and if someone attain this temperature, at that time what happened? The volume becomes 0. So finally at that time its volume decreases, decreases and decreases, and volume becomes 0. Can it is possible the volume becomes 0? The volume becomes 0 means no matter exists. A matter is nothing, because it's a definition of matter, any particles. That doesn't occupy any space. How can it be possible? That is not possible. So however this is not possible, it is because the gas is one of a state of matter and hence must have some definite mass and volume. The other alternative can be Charles experiments deducting was wrong. However, this is હવે ચાર્લ્સે શું કીધું હતું? ચાર્લ્સે આ ચાર્લ્સ લો છે. ચાર્લ્સ એવું કહે છે. ચાર્લ્સ લો એવું કહે છે. ચાર્લ્સ લો ને કોણે wrong proof કર્યો? Kelvin, Lord Kelvin. This is the Charles law. Charles law. As per the Charles law, temperature increases, volume increases. Temperature decreases, volume decreases, as per the Charles law. But Lord Kelvin said that when your temperature decrease, and finally minus 273 degrees Celsius, at that time the volume becomes 0. So how can it be possible? Because the gas is one kind of the matter, and the definition of the matter that the matter has some mass and some volume. So Kelvin challenged the Charles law. The other alternative can be that Charles experiment deduction was wrong. Charles knew, however, this is not possible as experimental observation can be verified independently. Lord Kelvin offered the solution to the above riddle. Lord Kelvin એમ કીધું કે હા ભાઈ અહીંયા final temperature at that time the volume becomes 0. The Kelvin આવું કીધું ને minus 273 degrees Celsius the volume becomes 0. Then he also gave the solution. He suggested that in all probability minus 273 degrees Celsius is the last limit of the temperature. This is the last limit of the temperature. No one can beyond minus 273 degrees Celsius. Last limit of this temperature which cannot be reached. આપણે આ પણ reach ના કરી શકીએ. We cannot get it. Which cannot be reached. And hence an enclosed gas will never have a zero volume. Right? This is the last limit, I think. And no one can reach this temperature. No one can reach zone. So the volume of the gas never be zero. This last limit of the temperature was named as absolute zero. Our temperature is if it is asked in the exam, what is absolute zero temperature? Minus 273 degrees Celsius is known as absolute zero temperature. Absolute zero temperature by Lord Kelvin. However, in order to honor Lord Kelvin, the absolute zero was named as Kelvin zero. In the honor of Lord Kelvin is known as the Kelvin zero temperature. Now definition of absolute zero or Kelvin zero temperature. It is the last limit of the temperature where the volume of the given mass of a dry enclosed gas at a constant pressure becomes zero, and it is theoretical value. It's a theoretical value. It's a not experimental value. No one can reach this temperature. It is not possible to reach this temperature. It's just a theoretical value, minus 273 degrees Celsius. It is defined as a theoretical temperature, not a practical temperature, when the molecules of the enclosed dry gas at a constant pressure have a zero kinetic ability. That there is zero kinetic energy means they don't have any volume. They stop vibrating. Right? चलो यहाँ સુધી રાખીએ. પછી આપણે ચાર્લ્સ લો અને એને રિલેટેડ ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર્સ. રાઈટ, ચાર્લ્સ લો અને પછી એના પછી એક લો છે, that is Boyle's law, Charles' law. चलो